Good morning, everyone. I hope all of you had a great Diwali. Welcome back to the morning market report from mpiinvest.com. Well, yesterday was the Muhurat trading, and I hope all of you had a great day. And of course, at MPI family, we had a great day yesterday because we did buy some good stock. That's always a different thing. But then we did book some real good profits on the option trading as well. So, well, that was something really good. We could start the Muhurat trading also with some good profits, and of course, it was just it's of course a belief, but then of course, feel good factor, right? That things go well. So definitely we have been doing well again. So the week has started out well, but then is a very short week because we have the expiry just day after tomorrow, and then tomorrow is a holiday again. So with that, the markets are kind of going to be in a cautious mood, I would say. But one thing I could say is yesterday, something very important to note was yesterday the SGX Nifty was trading above 17,800, but then the index did not, Indian Nifty did not actually touch or open close to anywhere that way. So we could see open, and we could at close to just above 17,700. And we could see market was totally cautious throughout that 1 hour of more trading, and it continuously came down. But then at the end there was some buying, and that was kind of expected. And the market was kind of flat, I would say. So what happened after the market closes, of course, important. But before that, one important thing that we could notice yesterday is, in spite of the results of Reliance being flat, we could see Reliance opening with a gap down, but then it was recovered. So that means the stock is kind of already ready for the correction, and when correction is already over, so Reliance looks okay to continue for the next step. So that's something kind of good, okay, I would say. And apart from that, we could see IT also kind of flat yesterday because Infosys and Tech Mahindra, they opened with a slight gap up, but then they closed flat, I would say. So things are looking okay there. But if you look at what happened in the US, so US actually opened and lower and then started going down yesterday. And I thought probably we could see a negative close, but then one good thing, there was a great power scene, and we could see some buying coming up from there, and the US markets actually closed in the green. Yes, though not a big green, I would say Nasdaq, Dow, all of them actually closed in the green, and that was something on a positive note, I would say. Because if you look at Nasdaq, it was up by 0.86%, and S&P 500 was up by 1.19%, and Dow Jones was up by 1.34%. So what gave that weakness in Nasdaq again? Okay, so most important thing that we need to remember today is major two important results coming in the US. So today evening, after the Indian markets close, we could see Alphabet, that is Google, and Microsoft coming out with results among the tech companies. And apart from that, on the other side, we could also see two important companies, GE and General Motors, General Electric and General Motors also coming up with results in the US. So these are major results awaited in the US, and because of that, market is kind of cautious. So that's something that we need to look out for. But one important thing that we need to realize here is, Google as well as Microsoft are both heavyweights in Nasdaq, and Nasdaq is already in the oversold condition. So it is trying to recover, but then if at all some good news comes in from there, there are chances of a rally there. And if that happens, we could see Nasdaq going upwards. And if that happened, we could see probably Indian IT sector also doing well. So that's something that we need to watch on. But apart from that, if you look at US market, already they are in the oversold zone. So any good news is actually good for a rally, but then market would be cautious in the US as well until the November 1st week. We have discussed this earlier. The Federal Reserve is meeting on 1st and 2nd of November. So on the 2nd of November, we'll have a lot of details from there on how the next rate hike can go on. So that would be in focus. So until November 1 and 2, I think the market should actually be cautious. So 18,000, will 18,000 be broken? That's a big question. So definitely 18,000 cannot be broken at this point of time is what I feel, because definitely we are not here to predict the market. But then my anticipation is that 18,000 may not happen because the market in the US would actually be cautious till the Federal Reserve details come out. So this week, that is the Thursday expiry, 18,000 may not be possible. So that is what I am anticipating, and based on that is what we've taken some trades. But apart from that, if you look at the global cues, it is just all these results which is actually driving the markets. So other than that, there's no really fundamental reason why the markets could actually go higher further. So across the globe, definitely there's the challenge of inflation and the challenge of the rate hike. So that is something which is going to hold up the markets for now. However, between all this, there is positivity here and there. So the results, generally have been good in all over India for most of the companies that has come up already, and in the US also most of the companies have actually come out with good results. So I would say that's okay. But in between there was a scare where Amazon has announced that they are not going to hire anymore. So there's a hiring freeze in Amazon, which kind of slowed down Amazon. Then Tesla actually was again falling yesterday because they are actually reduced the price of the cars in China. So these are all kind of things which is kind of mixed reaction that's seen in the US, though Indian market is actually looking good. So these are few things global holding up the market. So that's something that we need to watch out. So if you look at the market today, I would say again it is going to open with the gap up, hopefully, because the SGX Nifty is already trading almost 100-point high here than yesterday's close. So let us hope. But even if the gap up is open, I would not expect the market to kind of stay at that level. Probably we could see some profit booking. So this is what I'm anticipating for the day. And however, tomorrow being a holiday and tomorrow being the expiry, we are going on a very cautious mode. And depending on the market situation, we may or may not carry forward trades overnight. So that is what we are planning. And since it's the last month of this, last expiry of this month as well. So we will be going on a cautious mode, and let us just be happy that we have been having good profit for this month already. So let us not take more risk and just enjoy the festivity right now. So that is a right now mood at MPA family, that we are enjoying our festivity time and already happy with the booking of profit that we have done till date. So with that, looking for a laid back week at MPA family this week, right? Let us have a break. Enjoy the time with your family. We got good holidays, and let us look forward to more, trading and making money together in the week. So with that, this is Srikant signing off. Wishing you all a great week ahead, and of course, happy Diwali again. Goodbye.